From $2,000 investment into this account, we are presently at $216,499 of equity within 25 months of trading, which is exactly 2 years, 5 months. And as you can see, we are now at $216,000 of equity. At the moment, we have one running trade on Euro USD. As you can see, every trade is open with a stop loss. And I believe that before the end of this video, this trade is going to go into profit. We are very confident about the output of this robot. So far for the day of today, we've made $172 profit, and I think we've had a 100% win rate. The Pro Master Robot is simply one of the best Forex scalping robot you can use to grow a small account. The minimum equity required to run the Pro Master Robot is only $100. If you have started with us 2 years, 5 months ago with only $100 equity, you should be at $10,825 of equity. Now, whenever we hit our take profit, we come out of the market with an average of $15, and we have a take profit of only 5 pips. We notice that going for only 5 pips take profit, with respect to our strategies, we hit our target most often, and we also use a fixed lot size. As you can see, as the equity of this account grows, we are simply going to be increasing the lot size, and that is how over time we are going to be making bigger and bigger profit, and that is how we aim at reaching our target of $1 million into this account after starting with an equity of only $100. As you can see, very high win rate. So far for the day of today, the win rate is 100%. Look at the close trade. Every trade has a stop loss. Security is one of the most important key component when you want to go for a trading robot, and the Pro Master Robot has security. Even if there is fundamental analysis, you don't need to be afraid. This robot have you covered. And as you can see, the trade is now at $6. Let me show you guys something. Each trade is open with a stop loss and has a trailing stop. The trailing stop is to secure every bit of profit you make out of the market, as you can see. And see something. Let me go to 5 minutes so that we can see better. Look at the trade that is running. This trade, as it is in profit. Look at the middle, we have our stop loss. Below is a take profit, meaning right above we have the sell entry with 0.03 lot size, as you can see. And this trade can no more go into losses. It is either we hit our take profit and make an average of $15, or this trade may either hit our stop loss and we make a bit of profit, but it can no more go to break even or go to minus. And this is how powerful the Pro Master Robot is. See how it is going to make profit live in front of your eyes. Amazing, amazing, amazing. It is about to hit our take profit. Just watch and see. Within a day, this robot is going to open several trades, because most often our trade will not last into the market for long because of the tight stop loss and tight take profit. That is why in a day it happens that we have more than 200 trades, depending if market is trending. It all depends on market conditions. When market is trending, this robot may open several trades, and that is how you are going to make a very nice profit throughout the day. This robot was coded with only trend following Forex scalping strategies. As you can see, we are now at $11.4 profit with the running trade. This is just amazing. We run this robot on two Forex pairs, Euro USD and GBP USD. At the moment, there is no running trade on the GBP USD because all conditions have not yet been met in order for this robot to open another trade. Trades are not just open randomly with the Pro Master Robot. That is what it makes the power of this robot. And this robot is simply just very, very powerful. And see, very soon this trade is going to close. It might either hit our take profit or hit our trailing stop, and we are still going to make some profit out of this trade. We are very, very confident about the output of this robot, and because of the low drawdown of this robot, we can use it to pass various Forex Pro firms challenges and start making good profit. When you have the Pro Master Robot, you don't need to look in at your chart every day. You don't need to be doing technical or fundamental analysis. This robot does all the work for you. Wow, the trade have already closed. As you can see, we are now at $178.5 profit, which is something very, very amazing. I believe that before the end of the day, we are going to make far more profit than this, and this is how consistent the Pro Master Robot is. And this robot also has a very amazing exit strategies. One of the exit strategies used into this robot is based on the ATR value. If you don't know how to use the ATR value to set your stop loss, make sure you learn about that. It is going to increase your profit so greatly. Another thing we considered when coding this robot is the currency strength meter. When opening a trade, this robot make sure it looks at the currency strength meter to see how strong the trend is in a given direction before opening a trade. Another thing we also take note into this when coding this robot is correlation. If you don't know anything about correlation, make sure you learn about that. There are some pairs that have very powerful positive correlation and some have very powerful negative correlation. So it is very impossible to place a buy order on some pairs and be profitable in both. For example, let me give you guys an example. GBP USD and Euro USD have a very powerful positive correlation of more than 80%, meaning most often these two pairs will almost go the same direction. This is what we call a very powerful positive correlation. So it is possible, it is difficult to place a buy trade on Euro USD, then place the opposite direction on GBP USD and be profitable. Now, the good news is that you can get this robot from this video description. Instead of $970, you can get it at only $149. Bye for now. Ciao.